Today I'm making the ultimate crispy air fryer cheese and pepperoni sandwich, and trust me, this one is absolutely worth trying. First, I took 2 slices of bread. On the first slice, I layered several pieces of cheese. Once the cheese was in place, I added small slices of pepperoni on top. You can also use tea sausage or any spicy salami you like. After the pepperoni, I sprinkled a little shredded cheese over the top. Then I placed the second slice of bread on top to close the sandwich. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Now for the coating mixture. In a bowl, I cracked 1 egg, then added 60 ml of milk, which is about 4 tablespoons. After that, I sprinkled in a little salt and a little black pepper. Then I mixed everything together until smooth and well combined. Next, I placed the sandwich into the air fryer basket and carefully brushed the bread with the egg mixture. Make sure to coat the top evenly so it turns beautifully golden while cooking. This step gives the bread that rich color and extra crispy texture. I cooked it in the air fryer at 200 degrees for about 8 minutes. As it cooks, the outside becomes perfectly crisp while the cheese inside melts together with the pepperoni. It's quick, comforting, and perfect for breakfast, lunch, or an easy snack when you want something extra delicious.